In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect interactive brokers to Tradingview using the best method. If you've been wanting to streamline your trading experience by integrating these two powerful platforms, you've come to the right place. Let's delve into the process together and ensure you can follow along effortlessly. To start, you'll want to have your Tradingview chart open and ready. If you're not already in Tradingview, make sure to log in and pull up any chart where you'd like to conduct your trades. Tradingview is renowned for its robust charting capabilities, and by connecting it to interactive brokers, you'll be able to execute trades directly from the platform, enhancing your efficiency and decision-making process considerably. Now, you'll need to navigate to the trading panel in your Tradingview interface. This panel is your gateway to trading integration and managing your accounts across various brokers. The trading panel typically appears in the lower section of your chart window, so scroll down or look to the sides if necessary. Once you've accessed the trading panel, locate the search button. This tool is key for finding the specific brokers you wish to link with. Click on this button to open up a search field where you can enter your broker details. In our case, type interactive brokers into the search bar. As you type, the system will filter through its list of available brokers to find your match. When interactive brokers appears in the search results, click on it. This will prompt additional options related to interactive brokers to appear, allowing you to move forward. Look for the Connect option, which is your next step. By clicking Connect, you initiate the process of linking your Tradingview account to your interactive broker's account. Now, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your interactive broker's login information handy. Input your username and password into the appropriate fields, ensuring accuracy to avoid any disruptions in the connection process. After entering these details, confirm and submit the information. Finally, you'll need to verify that the connection process was successful. Often, this will involve confirming your account and possibly receiving a notification or prompt that verifies the integration. And there you have it. You have successfully connected interactive brokers to Tradingview. With these steps completed, you can now enjoy trading directly from Tradingview with all the data and analytics at your fingertips without the need to switch between platforms. This seamless integration can significantly enhance your trading operations, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both Tradingview's charting tools and interactive brokers' robust trading environment. I hope this guide makes the process clear and straightforward for you. Happy trading and enjoy the seamless experience of having these two powerful platforms working together in harmony. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help streamline your trading activities.